Hello. Hello. I'm going to start by introducing myself because I don't like to wait for people to come on. It's not fair to people who are watching this in replay. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of five. I am an author. I am a meditation guide. I am a woman living in New Jersey. I am now a homeschooling parent because of the coronavirus pandemic. And I'm also someone who every single day is not only seeking my healing, but also trying to find more and better ways to impact the world and help those around me who are in need, whether it be a hug, a conversation, or something very, very big. I'm just trying to show up. And hello, Travis. Hey, Carol. And we are back. Yes, we are back. It's my commitment to you. So I'm so glad that you're showing up. Today, we're going to be talking about something a little bit sticky, a little bit tricky, but I hope you'll stick around for it. On my Instagram profile this morning, you can find me at BEXLIFE. I posted something that said, I think that the earth it's like the earth has sent us all to our room to think about what we've done, right? And it's a little bit tongue in cheek, but it's also very real. This is a time to really go deep, to self-reflect, to think about how we've been showing up, and then make big decisions about how we are going to show up. So while meditation is certainly self-care, I also believe it is a time to connect to the collective consciousness and to acknowledge our responsibility in how we show up in the world and what we offer energy-wise, and then also in tangible ways. So let's get started and see where this brings us today. Thank you so much for showing up today. I want you to find your comfortable seat. Find your easy and comfortable seat. That means sit comfortably wherever you are. You don't have to be on the floor on a pillow with your legs crossed like me. You could be sitting at a desk, in your car, while it's parked, in bed, whatever works for you. You can close your eyes if you want to, if it feels safe. If not, if you'd rather have them open, go ahead and focus them gently on an object, a spot across the room, or on the floor right past the tip of your nose. Rest your hands in whatever position feels good. They could be downturned on your knees or thighs, upturned if you want to receive energy from the outside. You can place them in prayer over your heart, or one over your heart and one over your belly. And then slowly, with intention, bring your attention to your breath, your easy inhales and exhales, your natural breath as it is in this moment. No need to change a thing. Your natural breath is one of the ways your body communicates to you about where you are physically, emotionally. It might be short and shallow, or long and deep. And that's influenced by so many things. What's going on with our physical health, how we're feeling. Are we anxious? Are we feeling excited or down, depressed? Just be the observer of your breath, acknowledging that it is life force feeding you. Welcome it in through your nose. Release it back with your mouth open wide. This exchange of life force and energy connects us to each other, to the collective consciousness. Make it a practice to remember to breathe with intention, to pay attention, and acknowledge this throughout your day. Inhale, receive. Exhale, give back. We're going to talk about personal healing in order to heal others, healing ourselves so that we can go out into the world and help one another with our personal power, with our privilege, and with purpose. This won't be a long meditation today. I just want you to contemplate a couple questions. And then when you come out of meditation, remember the answers to those questions. And if they didn't come to you quickly, then journal about it, but be intentional about being in this work and doing this work today. We are collectively, for the first time in a long time, in a crisis together. Rich, poor, black, white, of every nation, of every color, of every socioeconomic status, of every ability. We are in this together, some absolutely suffering more than others. But all of this collective fear, this collective pain, let it inspire us to show up different, better. Let us call on insight and receive the message of how. Bring your attention back to your breath for 3 inhales and exhales to transition into the question part of this meditation. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Release. Inhale, receive. Exhale, give back. Meditation is a time for connection with self and with all that is. It is a time for quiet contemplation. It's a time to ask questions and to receive answers. So I'm giving you 3 questions. 3 questions today to meditate on, to ponder, to journal about. Give me your answers in the comments if that feels good. How am I empowered to do good? What are my strengths? How am I empowered to do good already? What are my current strengths? Your talents, your wisdom, your abilities. What are they? How am I privileged? How do I hold privilege in this society? How have I been lucky? What benefits do I enjoy that are unearned? That's a big question, number 2. And I'll help you with some of mine. I get hugs and kisses every day. I am loved. I have a supportive community. I am able-bodied. I had an education, a free, good education. I was mentored by adults who were responsible and wise when I was a child. I've never been told that I couldn't do something by an adult. I live in a safe community. I have food to eat. I have a house. I have a spouse that helps me to support my household. I am privileged in so many ways. Third question to ponder, to contemplate, to journal about. This is the big one. How can I use my power and my privilege to inform a purpose that drives me to help starting today? What can I do today for the greater good? How does my power and privilege inform a purpose that will inspire me to go out and be better and do better and show up better in the world? I want you right now, if you're able, to place both hands over your heart space. Connect with your heartbeat and your breath by feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Imagine everyone who's watching this right now or in the future is in the same position, holding on to their heartbeats, acknowledging their power, their aliveness, their vitality, acknowledging that we are all part of a collective. We are here to take care of each other. As we inhale and exhale, we commingle our energies and create the collective consciousness. What heals me heals you. What hurts you hurts me. We are here for each other. Let us take that in on a cellular level. Remember it in every move that we make, every breath we take. We are a part of the whole, and with that comes great responsibility. And with taking that responsibility will come great joy. Place your hands in prayer. Bow your head just a bit. Acknowledge the good work you've done here by taking time to sit in meditation and to do this work with me and with each other. And with your next breath, go ahead and bring your eyes back into focus or flutter them open to return to the room. Hello, everyone watching. I'm just going to say a couple words and we'll let you go. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for meditating with me. In the video description, you're going to find some offers that I have for you. I'm giving away my children's book bundle, the digital bundle, for free. So the link is there to help all you parents, teachers, caregivers out there who might be struggling a little bit with having your kids at home, or the kids are struggling a little bit. It's great for kids age 4 to 8, so pick that up for free. I am asking for your email because I'm going to send you the Spanish language version and some updates on some really awesome projects that we're doing with the book and a future book. I'm also offering my Managing the Mother Load and You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life books for free. Just go into my Facebook community. The link is there, and you'll find the links for those. And if you want to buy one of my children's books, know that every book that you buy results in a child in an underserved, under-resourced, underestimated school district receiving a book for free. We've given away over 1,200 books. I was just in Baltimore delivering 280 books last week before all this happened. So those links are in the video description. I love you very much. I do, from the bottom of my heart. I thank you for showing up for me today and for yourself. It inspires me to show up for you and myself every day. And last thing, I say this 3 times to affirm, because it is so true and I want it to really sink in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. And I love you, I love you, I love you. I honor you. I'll see you soon. Please share this with your friends. And shout out to the doulas helping women deliver, or helping people, sorry. All people can give birth. People give birth, not just women. Helping people give birth in this chaos. And all the people who are out there on the front lines, grocery store workers, sanitation workers, teachers that are working from home and helping our kids and the parents, doctors, nurses, male people, all y'all. I appreciate you. I'll see you.